Are you still manually enrolling attendees into your online courses after every event booking? With Eventin and TutorLMS integration, you can automatically enroll attendees into specific TutorLMS courses based on the ticket they purchase. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate TutorLMS courses with Eventin. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Now go to Eventin and click on Extensions. Then open the Add-ons tab. Here, you'll find the Eventin add-on for TutorLMS. Enable the TutorLMS add-on from here. After enabling it, click on the Activate option. Remember, TutorLMS must be installed and activated on your website. Otherwise, this integration will not work properly. Now click on the Configure button beside the Active option. Here, you'll see several TutorLMS integration settings. For example, you can choose who will get enrolled in the course, whether a WordPress account should be created automatically, refund-related options, and more. These settings will control how the integration behaves. For this tutorial, I'll select every registered attendee from the Who Gets Enrolled option. Then click on Save Changes. Now go back to Eventin and click on Events. Open any event where you want to use the TutorLMS integration. Then go to the Advanced tab. If you don't see the TutorLMS option immediately, simply refresh or reload the page. Now you'll see the TutorLMS section here. Enable it. After enabling it, all the courses you created in TutorLMS will appear here automatically. Now you can assign different courses based on different ticket types. For example, users who purchase the early bird ticket can get access to one course. Users who purchase the VIP ticket can get access to another course. Simply select the courses based on your ticket setup. After that, click on Update to save the event. Now let's test if the integration is working properly. Go to the Event Preview page. Select two tickets, for example, Early Bird and VIP. Then click on Get Ticket. Now fill in the billing information. After that, add attendee details for both tickets. Since we selected two tickets, we'll add details for two attendees. Once everything is filled in, click on Book Now. Now the event booking and course enrollment will be completed successfully. Now go back to TutorLMS. Click on Students. Here, you'll see the attendee details have been added automatically as students. The selected attendees are now enrolled in the assigned courses. That means the Eventin and TutorLMS integration is working perfectly. So that's how you can integrate TutorLMS courses with Eventin and automatically enroll attendees into online courses. Follow Eventin for more WordPress event management tutorials and updates.